Hey guys, welcome back to another episode today. We're out here. We're going to be doing some turkey hunting. It's going to be me and my dad trying to put my friend on his first turkey ever. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy this Wisconsin turkey hunt here. I hope you enjoy.
Never fucked. Oh yeah, Jake out strut. Yeah. Five Jakes. Where'd the third hen go? In the woods. I call it a fucking thorn block. Yup. All going to the live decoys. Five Jakes. Four strutters. Damn it. Why are they moving that way? So that means there's one weak bird in that flock. Oh, that's the dominant Jake. And you want to get. Oh, look at the cardinal. Look at the cardinal. See him? Yeah. Try calling again. Right on the head. Shoot the. Actually, let them separate. Let them get closer. Put your second hand on the gun. Let them separate. Let them separate. They're too close. They're still too close. Take them off. They're still too close. Still too close. Yep. Any of them. They're too close. They're too close. Too close. No, not yet, not yet. Shoot one of the two middle ones. I can't. I'm shooting this one. Alright. Yeah, the one alone. Got him. 2 hens come in. One flew in over there.
You just have one steak for this?
The first turkey.
Hey,
yeah, I just did 1 steak today.
Oh yeah, his brain's.
That's what happens when you hit it with a tongue. I bet you didn't really feel it, did you?
Alright guys, we got our turkeys out of our brine. Both of these sat for 3 days. We put a dry rub on this. We got our 2 loins from our 2 turkey breasts. We just let this sit in a brine in kosher salt and brown sugar for 3 days. We let this sit in kosher salt and brown sugar for 3 days. But then we made a dry rub with black pepper, kosher salt, brown sugar, some of that, some jerk chicken, some of that, some paprika, some garlic powder, that was a close one, and some onion. So, stay tuned. Alright guys, we're back at the smoker here. We've had her on for a little bit before we've done this, but we're gonna take a little bit of honey. We're gonna pour it on. We're gonna paint it on here. So like such, you're just gonna paint the one side. The next time you come out, you'll flip it and you'll do the exact same thing. And you'll just keep going back and forth until that reaches the temp that you're gonna get your thing to. So, stay tuned. Well guys, as you can tell, it's been quite a while here, so we're gonna paint some more honey on. Except we're gonna flip her over. Alright guys, we got our honey. We're painting the back side here. As you can tell, we flipped it, so you can see these lines from the way she's been laying. But I think it's outdoor cat approved because the cat's coming to check out the food here. But we're gonna finish painting this and we're gonna head back inside and should be done here soon. So stay tuned. Alright guys, well, our little loins should be done here. But let's just be 100% here quick. Jeez. Yeah, these little guys here should be done. These 2 still got a little bit. But these couple little guys should be about perfect. These still need a little bit. So, we'll see you guys when we take those off the smoker. Alright guys, well, our little loins should be done here. But let's just be 100% here quick. Jeez. Yeah, these little guys here should be done. These 2 still got a little bit. But these couple little guys should be about perfect. These still need a little bit. So, we'll see you guys when we take those off the smoker. Alright guys, here's our smoked tenderloin. Seasoning's really good. It's a little chewy, but we did just take it off. And once this refrigerates, it should be good. But yeah, pretty good. Seasoning's really good. Gives it some nice taste. It's moist. It's a little sticky from the honey, but still good. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys when we take those 2 big breasts off the grill. Alright guys, should be done here. been about 4 hours, but she's now done. Yes, sir. It's gonna be nice and tasty. But that's it here, so we will see you guys back. Alright guys, well you saw how we cook our wild turkey here, so that's gonna end this video. Go down below and subscribe if you're new here and you want to see more turkey hunting. We still got a tag that my dad has to get filled, and got a friend who's got a tag that we're gonna fill here in Wisconsin here in the next couple weeks. So go down below and subscribe for more turkey hunting, and we will catch you guys on the next episode.